shall call it Twinkle Toes. Horsey, Twinkle Toes. Horsey, Twinkle Toes. Horsey. 3 little birds sat on my window, and they told me I don't need to worry.
Send this to a boy in your class. Roses are red. Violets are blue. Peter Parker is way hotter than you.
I'm mad at Disney, they tricked me, had me wishing on a shooting star. But now I'm 20-something, I still know nothing about who I am or what I'm not.
How's your girl, man?
She left me.
Oh.
Yeah, my mom died too. And my dad got deported. But I got the van.
It's nice.
Yeah, right?
Don't cry over spilled condiments.
I'll cry if I damn want to. Oh yeah, I'm tickle pink. Oh shit.
Okay, alright. Cry over spilled condiments.
Cry if I damn want to.
Who said that? Don't be silly, Toto. Scarecrows don't talk.
It's pleasant down that way, too.
That's funny. Wasn't he pointing the other way?
Of course, people do go both ways.
Why, are you doing that on purpose? Or can't you make up your mind?
That's the trouble. I can't make up my mind. I haven't got a brain. Only straw.
How can you talk if you haven't got a brain?
I don't know. But some people without brains do an awful lot of talking, don't they?
Yes, I guess you're right. Well, we haven't really met properly, have we?
Why, no.
How do you do?
How do you do?
Very well, thank you.
Looking for this. Is that my voice? Is that my voice? Oh well.
Everybody stop, look what I made.
I hate you! Oh! Well, next time, don't steal my Monopoly! Ariana, give James your $200. You landed on his property. No! He's in jail! I'm not gonna give money to a criminal! That's not how you play! Mommy, why is brother screaming? Shut the f*** up, Sally. You don't get to talk after stealing my last railroad. I wish I was never born! Me too! You think I wanted this?
Tom Holland drunk is such a vibe.
Tell me, have you seen her? Let me wrap my weave up. I'm the trap Selena, dame my gasolina. Watch your man, then you should watch your mouth.
Silent, be quiet, nigga. Hold on. Cause that bitch go pew when I shoot, it's on mute. That bitch go pew when I shoot, it's on mute. That bitch go pew when I shoot, it's on mute. Copycat nigga tryna.
Now it's 3 in the morning, and I'm trying to change your mind. Left you multiple missed calls until my message you replied. Why'd you only call me when you're high? High. Why'd you only call me when you're high? Why'd you only ever call me when you're high? Why'd you only ever call me when you're high? Why'd you only ever call me when you're high? Why'd you only ever call me when you're
Through the city with a little fucking soul.
So I'ma light it up like dynamite. Whoa, oh, oh.
I'm his mother. Let me in.
Rock, paper, scissors for Wes to talk to the Vic's mom.
Deal. It's a game of chance. How do you always win?
You always pick paper.
That is not true. Here, go again. One more time. All right, one more time. One more time. One more time. One more time. All right, one more time. One more time. God, this reverse psychology is a fuck!
Take your makeup off, let your hair down, take a breath, look into the mirror at yourself. Don't you like you? 'Cause I like you.
So shut your mouth and run me like a river. Shut your mouth, baby, stand and deliver. Holy hands, pull and make me a sinner. Like a river, like a river. Shut your mouth and run me like a river. Choke this love till the veins start to shiver. One last breath till the tears start to wither. Like a river, like a river.
Ha 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 ha. Don't I know you from somewhere?
No, I don't think
No,
so.
I do. I definitely do.
Yeah, no, I don't really do mud.
But you're a garden fairy.
Ironic, isn't it? Okay, alright. I'm coming.
Hang with the guys, don't let her know how much you care. Look in her eyes and tell her even if you're scared. You got it wrong, no, I got it right. I know what girls, yeah, I know what girls like.
Stretch pants, cute sweater, and sweet perfume. Don't dress for him, it's better when you dress for you. I keep it loose, my outfit is tight. I know what boys, yeah, I know what boys like.
I'm Elle, and that's my best friend Lee. We've been besties since the day we were born. How have we stayed so close? We have a set of rules. Like rule number 2, never tell anyone else our secrets. Or rule number 9, Lee's older brother Flynn, he's stupid hot, but totally off limits. Oh, and rule number 10, never ever break rule number 9.
What an ass. I know. You got a little bit of drool right there in the corner.
Right here?
Yeah,
Do I really?
Tell me what has become of my life. I have a wife and 2 children who love me. I am the victim of police brutality. No, I'm tired of being the victim of hate. You're ripping me of my pride, for God's sake. I look to Kevin to fulfill his prophecy. Set me free. Skinhead, deadhead, everybody gone bad. Trouble ditches, speculation, everybody. Allegation in the suit on the new. Everybody dog food, black man, blackmail, throw the brother in jail. All I wanna say is that they don't really. One on a round, I'll give it to you.
fears are gonna come for you, come for you. Welcome to the panic room. You'll know I wasn't just
Blow on the screen, Jeff Leon falling for ya. Ready.
Hello, motherfucker. Hey, I'm super busy right now. Can I call you right back? Just call me, man.
Do you dance? You look like a good dancer.
I can dance. Dance together. Come on. It's fun.
Along the floor, I pull my shirt on, walk out the door, drag my feet along the floor. Then I see you, you're walking across the campus, cool professor studying romances. How am I supposed to pretend?
Your last video is why you're single. Okay, here you go.
My best friend, she a real bad bitch, got her own money. She don't need no nigga on the dance floor. She had 2-3 drinks, now she twerking. She throw it out and come back in.
That's my best friend, she a real bad bitch, drive her own car. She don't need no lift in a strip club. No, my girl gon' tip, now she twerking. She throw it out and come back in.
That's my best friend.
Listen, there will always be people who will try to bring you down, and that's because they're already below you. So you gotta keep killing it, queen. And in a world full of bitches, be a bad one. You're the bitch they wanna see. You're the bitch